Never mind. These are from Great Grandma and Great Grandpa.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. Look.
Whoop!
Oh. Hey, right here.
He makes it look natural.
What's that, Alex?
Yay!
What is it?
The turtles?
What do you got, Alex?
She opened this one already. She opened this one already. There's nothing in here.
That's the slippers
Oh.
and her phony
Groom and Go. Is that fake
or
shaving
unicorn.
kit?
Yes.
It's like the one we got Tim?
Yeah, the one that Tim had when he was a little kid.
Yeah.
You don't trust me.
Do you?
What do you say to Great Grandma and Great Grandpa?
I'm glad that next one's for you too, Alex. The one who's opening right here. This is also for you. What is that? Get it all off. Is that
What is
semi?
that?
Is that a car hauler?
Yes, it's a car.
Car hauler.
Alex, look it. Do you like it?
Oh, it's a secret door
Like that?
Barbie.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You throw them away like a basket?
Let me see. It's a mermaid. Is that what you wanted?
I don't know if you have pajamas.
I know.
That might be all of them.
I would do that too, but I get creepy people like you coming up to my
Oh, Brent, what are you doing?
Right here.
Don't look. Mr. Slade.
Oh, that is awesome. I want to take this one.
It's raining. That's mine. That's mine, Alex.
Be nice.
Don't open the umbrella in the house.
Brian, will you please put this in the foyer?
Hey, did you get a card from Grandma and Grandpa?
There's not.